In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove AnyDesk from your PC step by step, including how to uninstall the program, delete leftover folders, and restart your computer so everything is fully cleaned up. If you've installed AnyDesk and no longer need it, or you simply want to make sure it's completely gone from your system, this guide will walk you through the whole process in a simple and safe way. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Control Panel. When you see Control Panel in the search results, click to open it. Once Control Panel opens, look for the Program section and click on it. Then select Uninstall a Program. This will open the list of all the applications currently installed on your computer, and it may take a moment to load depending on how many programs you have. Now scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. Once you see it, click on AnyDesk to highlight it. After that, go up to the top of the window and click Uninstall. If Windows asks you to confirm the action, click Yes or Uninstall to continue. At this point, the AnyDesk removal process will begin, so just wait for it to finish. Once the uninstall is complete, don't stop there because there may still be leftover folders on your computer. To clean those up, press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %APPDATA% and press Enter. This opens a hidden folder location where many apps store user data. Look for a folder named AnyDesk. When you find it, right-click the folder and choose Delete. This helps remove remaining app data that may still be stored on your system. Next, press Windows +R again to open Run one more time. This time, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. A different hidden system folder will open, and here you should look for another AnyDesk folder. If you find it, right-click it and delete it as well. Removing both of these folders helps make sure AnyDesk is fully removed from your PC, not just the main app itself. Finally, the last step is to restart your computer. Before you do that, save any open work so nothing gets lost. Then restart your PC to refresh the system and make sure all the changes take effect properly. After the restart, AnyDesk should be removed from your computer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.